Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your uproot clean order. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you like the order cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply visit on Trustpilot profile and you can see like they have listed like cancellation issues. So there are some you can say like issues is available on Trustpilot, like order cancellation is very hard. So how you can cancel it? You can cancel your order cancellation very easily. You need to send an email. The email is listed on this profile like review@uprootclean.com. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see in on your screen. You can compose a similar type of email or you can take help from ChatGPT. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address which is listed on the Trustpilot, and once they receive your email, once they verify your order, they will cancel your order if possible. Okay, if not possible, only you can return your product, and the return and you can say like refund policy is little bit different. You have to pay some kind of shipping charges also. So once you receive your order, you can only you can like return your product. Okay, so this is the last option if you are not able to, if they are not able to cancel your order. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.